guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Adriellis, and today I'm going to be doing a little toy review of stuff that I got for my birthday yesterday. So, I'm just going to be showing a little bit because I have so many. So, yeah. Let's move to the video. So the first thing that I have is these two mini Neatos. I love them so much. So there's this blue one that has like something white in it. I don't know what it is. I think it is like shaving foam. I don't know what it is. Oh. But yeah. And I also have this yellow one. The color changes into red or orange and green. It color changes to green and orange or red. I don't know if this color is red or orange. I'm confused. And yeah, it's one of those colors. And I love them so much. Let's move on to something else. Everywhere. Okay. Next, I have this Nickelodeon slime. And it had a bunch of colors stacked up together. Let's open it. And I mixed it all together because it was just getting like super duper annoying because it kept on mixing. Like the blue was touching the purple, the pink was touching the blue, stuff like that. So I mixed it up together, and good news, it turned into unicorn slime. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's open it. Oh, that came out so neat. Well, a little neat. So you guys won't be needing to see my face. So let's just put you guys right there. So I'm going to be doing the most popular. So yeah, you guys, I think you guys know what the popular thing is. There's actually 3. So yeah. The first one is poking. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, my little brother Amildi is awake. I hear the bed like cracking. I just love the way like when I fold it and fold it and fold it, like while I fold it, it gets more louder and louder. Look. You see? I don't know if you guys noticed that when you guys even have slime. Some of you probably don't know what slime is. Some of you, like babies. If you guys don't know what slime is, I know slime is the most popular thing to play with, but yeah. Slime is mostly like this. Some are jiggly, some are like, yeah, some are like watery, they look like water. Some are like really sticky. Like really sticky. They like stick everywhere. And even if you even put them on your desk, they stay there. That's how some slimes are. That even if you put some on your desk, it'll even stay there. That's how some of them are. That sticky. So yeah. Let's see the stretch. Sorry. This one's a little sticky. Not that much, you know. So, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, that looks like a burrito. A long burrito. Sorry. Oh, look at that molding under. It's literally molding itself. Okay. So we have this little cow bottle. I don't know if this is a cow bottle or not. Cow baby bottle. It's actually a squishy. So it's a type of fidget. It smells really bad. Anyways, yeah. And it's also slow rise. Medium rise. You know what I mean? It's kind of both fast and slow at the same time. Yes. These, I opened 3 fidgets so far. Let's move on to another fidget, you know? Why not start off with some fidgets? I have this Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I don't think I can do it right now, but I love like puzzle fidgets. Not that much, but like I like them, you know. This one's a really fun fidget. So now we opened 4 fidgets so far. Next fidget. So many fidgets. So next we have these 2 mini fake rubber balloons. These are really squishy, but they're also hard too. This one's like hard squishy, you know? They are really stretchy. They're a little stretchy, sorry. They're not that stretchy. But I don't want to stretch it because I'm scared if it like breaks, so yeah. I got a bear and a butterfly. There's different ones though. We've opened 5, I can't even carry them all. We opened 5 fidgets so far. Yes, that was a lot. 5. Oops. Oh. My ring fell off. One more fidget. This is like the actually like last fidget. No, it's not. It's not. Sorry. I see another one. And that's it. So I have this flying chicken. It's a pink one. So it's usually kind of like a puppet. But how you usually play with this is you throw it on the wall and then it stays there. Some of them do, some of them not. Sorry, some of them don't. So we've opened 6 so far. Fidgets. The last one. These are not really fidgets. This one's not really a fidget either, but I'm just using them as fidgets. So, got these like little molds, animal molds. I got this cat one. I got this pig. And I got this penguin. And yes, I can color them in. like I can put them on a piece of paper and I can like color in there. You know, in there I can color. And then I make a cat or a penguin or a pig. So yeah, I've opened 7 fidgets so far. Okay, enough with the fidgets. There's no more fidgets for right now. Next, my favorite mini brands. This is my first ever mini brand. And this is season 2. I think, because I saw like a number 2 on the mini brand. I don't know anything about mini brands. All I know is that there's just little miniature food, plates, anything like that. Here we have some classical tomato sauce. We have, I think this is called Monday because it says Monday on there. I don't know. See? It literally says Monday. Can you guys even see it? Yeah, it says Monday. That's crazy. Well, we have this Monday. I don't know if that's called Monday or not. Next, we have red beans with rice. Sorry. Next, we have some cheese. And we have this little like shopping basket. And these wheels actually like really work. Look. Hold on. They work really well. You can even put the stuff in here. I'm putting the cheese in the Monday and the red, never mind. And that's it, because that's all I can fit in there. I'm going to the next thing. Next, bubbles. Which is one of my little brothers. Come here. You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi to the vlog. Look at the vlog. You guys can see him right now. Hold on. He's right there. Show them that. You want to show them that? You want to show them the balls? Yeah. Show them the 2 mini balls. So we have some mini balls. Rubbery mini balls. Are you counting? I don't understand you. Okay. Show them the mini balls. So we got an orange one and a pink one. They're really bouncy. Look. They're really bouncy. Which one bounces more? Ooh. Here. They're really beautiful.